Hello everyone, today I'm going to make an egg floating experiment. First, I filled up this glass of water. Now I have a bowl full, one brown egg and one white egg. Next, I have to put these two eggs in the glass. I have to put it slowly. Next, I have to put the salt in one glass. Whoa! I'm going to put it in a white glass. Whoa, that's so much salt. We still need to put some salt. Now let's wait for it to melt. What happened after 1 minute? I put 5 tablespoons of salt and look, it's now floating. You can see the egg, right? And look what happened to the brown egg. I didn't put any tablespoons of salt. That's it sinking. Look, it's in the water. And now I'm going to switch these both. Whoa! Be careful not to break them. And now look, the brown egg is floating and the white egg is sinking. Bye friends!